Hey, Dan.
But don't just get ready to turn around. When you like, you go in the other direction. Do whatever you want. I made a mistake, I guess.
Hey, Dan, this is Steve on the announcing stand. I think you did make a mistake, buddy. Kirby was still flying, and I don't think you want to use words like cut into my act with him.
Driver, give me 55. Hey, Kirby, I'm really sorry. Steve, announcer, are you there?
Yeah, I got you, Danny. Can you hear us? Hey, Dano, can you hear us?
Yeah, loud and clear. I'm here.
Yeah, we've been listening to you guys. You know, you cut into Kirby's act, but I don't think you want to use words like, you know, go ahead and cut into mine because he's on your 6 o'clock right now, Danny.
I know he is. And I can't go anywhere because I'm tied to that truck on the ground that's coming back towards us.
Yeah, even if you weren't tied to the truck, I don't think it's going to be matter because now he's cutting your ribbons, dude.
I know that. Well,
Steve.
All right, Kirby. My truck's going to make its last turn.
Hey, Dan, don't worry. We're not going to tell anybody that you flew into Kirby's airspace. We'll keep that a little secret just between you and the 1,000-year closest friends down here.
Let's not tell anybody, okay? Keep it on the radio between us.
Yeah, like I said, you mean 1,000 of your closest new buddies. Okay, folks, we want to draw your attention up high. Mr. Dan Buchanan, a good friend of ours. We have a lot of fun. He always likes to cut into somebody's act and let them go up and trim on his ribbons here. Dan's a hang glider.